So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Educational Leadership Week 4th Assignment 4. So, the first question is according to the ability model, emotional intelligence consists of four abilities given below, except. So, these are the options, and now let's check the answer of our first question. So, question first, emotional intelligence and educational leadership, perceiving emotions, using emotions, understanding emotions, managing emotions. So, the answer of our first question is C, ignoring emotions. Now, the second question is who among the following gave the mixed model of intelligence and focused on the importance of emotional intelligence as compared to IQ? So, these are the option Goleman, Maslow, Salovey, and Mayer, Watson, Freud. So, let's check the answer of our second question. Question second, emotional intelligence and educational leadership, Daniel Goleman. One does not need a high IQ to be successful. So the answer of our second question is A, Goleman. Now the third question is which leadership style give the message try this. So these are the option coercive, authoritative, democratic, affiliative, coaching. So let's check the answer of our third question. Question third, coaching develops people for the future. Try this. So the answer of our third question is E, coaching. Now, the fourth question is which of the following is not a trait of transformational leaders? So, these are the option idealized, influence, inspirational, motivational, coercive authority, individualized consideration, intellectual stimulation. So, let's check the answer of our fourth question. So, question four, four intelligence traits of them are idealized, influence, inspirational, motivation, individualized consideration, intellectual stimulation. So the answer of our question fourth is C, coercive authority. Now the fifth question is dash is a social process by which emotions are shared collectively across a group in a social context. So these are the options: social emotion, emotional labor, emotional regulation, emotional socialization, emotional ca- contagion. So the answer of our fifth question is E, emotional contagion. Now, the sixth question is dash includes modifying initial feelings by changing the situation or cognitions of the situation. So, these are the option. And now, let's check the answer of our sixth question. So, question six, antecedent focus regulation, modifying initial feelings by changing the situation cognition of the situation. So, the answer of our sixth question is D, antecedent focused regulation. Now, the seventh question is dash is when people change their outward emotional expression without feeling the actual emotion they show. So these are the option: deep acting, depth acting, surface acting, small acting, none of the above. So let's check the answer for our seventh question. Question 7, surface acting, when people change their outward emotion expression without feeling the actual emotion they display. So the answer of our seventh question is C, surface acting. Now, the eighth question is which of the following leadership style can result in people get overwhelmed and burned out? So these are the option: pace setting, coaching, democratic, affiliative, authoritative. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, pace setting sets high standard for performance. Do as I do now. Negative people get overwhelmed and burnt out. So the answer of our eighth question is A, pace setting. Now, the ninth question is this is the public face of emotion in leadership. So, these are the option: emotional awareness, social regulation, sympathy, emotional labor, none of the above. So, let's check the answer of our ninth question. So, question ninth, emotional labor is the public face of emotion in leadership. So, the answer of our ninth question is emotional labor, D. Now, the 10th question is leaders high on empathy will prefer to use dash. So, these are the options: surface acting, sympathy, anger, deep acting, coercion. So, let's check the answer of our 10th question. So, question 10, leader high on empathy will prefer to use genuine emotional expression and deep acting instead of surface acting. So, the answer of our 10th question is D, deep acting. Now, the 11th question is emotional intelligence is a crucial component of dash. So, these are the option: analytical intelligence, divergent thinking, social intelligence, convergent thinking, creative intersect interests. So, let's check the answer of our 11th question. 11th question, emotional intelligence. Emotional competencies are fundamental to social intelligence. So the answer of our 11th question is C. Now the 12th question is accurately labeling emotion is also called as dash. So these are the option: emotional expertise, emotional awareness, emotional contagion, empathy, emotional literacy. So the answer of our 12th question is E, emotional literacy. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.